This is Basha. Today I'm back out on the beach. Absolutely glorious morning out here. Nice breeze. Water temperatures around 80 degrees. Really pretty morning. So I got my detector and I'm back at the same spot. This is my third time to this particular area. So all other parts of the beach seem to be sanding in. The sand's coming in. But this area, I see erosion, I see the seashells, and I'm finding stuff. So I'm going to see what I find out here today. So what I've learned is that if you're on the beach and if you're not taking your machine in the water, then you should detect the areas of the beach where water has been to. For instance, this area, lots of seashells. So I'm working this area, not taking my machine in the water. Right, so here's a surface find. Scissors, broken scissors. So I've been watching these birds just chirp and fly toward me as I'm walking around in this area, and now I see why. Check this out. There's an egg right in here, so they're protecting their eggs. This is so cool. Alright, so this birdie right here she comes. This is the one that's kind of watching that egg and keeps coming toward me. This is hilarious. I guess I'll keep my distance. Let that mama protect her babies. Alright, so those little birds protecting their eggs in the sand, they're kind of hanging out there. And here is my hat, folks. Look at this. One of them did this to my hat. Pooped on it. Dang! And right here on the surface, got a nickel. Alright, and right here, handle for a fishing reel. How about that? Right here, really shallow. Check out this hook. Nice rusty hook. Alright, and right here, surface quarter. Check this out. Right here, surface find. We have a sinker and the works here. And the hooks. Gosh. And here, fairly close to the surface, got this rusty wire. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this. Pearl earring. It's a pearl earring. Hot dog. Got me some bling. Alright. Alright, and right here, surface dime. Look at that. I'll take it. Right here, look at that. Nice rusty hook. Check that out. Would hate to step on this thing. So that was fun. 3 hours on the beach this morning. Absolutely beautiful weather and a scenery. What can I say? And getting the targets. That was awesome. So here's stuff that I had found. And those hooks were laying on the surface. Got some pull tabs. Got this little knife. And this little item. Not really sure what that is. Looks like it may snap onto something else. Got 3 sinkers, and this one does have a hook on it. For the coins, I have 2 quarters, 8 dimes, 2 nickels, and pennies. And I noticed that when I soak these crusty, sandy pennies, that substance comes off. Warm soapy water is what does it. And my favorite find today was the earring, the pearl earring. Love it. I'll take it anytime. And of course the birds, those birds, they're waterfowl and they lay their eggs in the sand and hang out nearby until they hatch. Anyway, as I was looking for my targets, they found me to be a target. And actually, as they swooped down, they got me on the head. Anyway, the head is now clean and ready for me to wear it again. Thank you for watching.